Good morning children, I am S.K. Misra, your chemistry teacher. I am taking class of chemistry. We shall start the first chapter, chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. As you have studied in previous class about the change in the matter, there are two types of changes you have studied: physical change and chemical change. Regarding the change, we know that the physical change is reversible. We can reverse the physical change, but there is no scope of reversal of the chemical changes. So for concern of the chemical reaction involves the chemical change. Chemical reaction involves chemical changes. It is a process in which one or more substances converted into another substance. The new substance that is called as the product is different from original substance. A chemical reaction consists of two parts, that is a reactants and product. Reactant and product. The substances which involved in the chemical reaction, they are called as the reactants, and the substances which formed in chemical reaction, that is called as the product. This, for example, when magnesium burns, it produces magnesium oxide. So you see that the magnesium plus oxygen and magnesium oxide. This magnesium and oxygen are reactants, and magnesium oxide is product. Now we shall study the chemical equation. Before going to discuss the chemical equation, we shall see the characteristics of the chemical reaction. Before going to discuss the chemical equation, we shall see the characteristics of chemical reaction. These characteristics are the change in color, change in state, evolution of gas, formation of precipitation. Many more characteristics are, if any characteristics is observed, we can say the chemical reaction is being proceeded. Now come to the chemical equation. What is the chemical equation? You see that the chemical equation, it is the representation of chemical reaction in shorter form. As I told you earlier, when magnesium is burned in presence of oxygen, it produces the magnesium oxide. It is the description of the chemical reaction. When this chemical reaction is written in shorter form, it is called as the chemical equation. A chemical equation is written in two forms. That is in form of word. In form of word and in form of the symbol or formula. You see that when we write magnesium plus oxygen, that is a magnesium oxide. It is the representation of the chemical reaction in word form. Another in form of formulae. That is a magnesium Mg plus O2, this 2MgO. It is the representation of chemical equation in form of the formula. A chemical reaction is separated by an arrow. Products and reactants, they are separated by arrow, and head of arrow is indicating the direction of the reaction. So these are about the chemical equation. Now the balancing of the chemical reaction equation. Balancing of chemical equation. There are two types of chemical equation. One is called as the balanced chemical equation. Another is called as the unbalanced chemical equation. You see that the example, number 1 chemical equation, Zn plus H2SO4, zinc and sulfuric acid. It is converted into the zinc sulfate and hydrogen. You see here that number of zinc in reactant is 1, number of zinc atom in product is also 1. Here the number of hydrogen is 2 in reactant side, number of hydrogen 2 in product side, and the number of sulfate 1 reactant side and 1 on the product side. So this chemical reaction is balanced. Number 2, you see that the Mg plus O2 MgO. Here you see the magnesium, number of magnesium atom in reactant is 1, number of magnesium atom in product is 1, number of oxygen is 2 in reactant side and number of oxygen is 1 in the product side. So here the oxygen is not balanced and it is being balanced by multiplying with appropriate number. So if we multiply the magnesium oxide by 2, the number of oxygen become 2. So here the number of oxygen is balanced, number of oxygen is balanced. But you see the magnesium, here magnesium atom is 2 and here magnesium atom is 1. So once again the magnesium on the reactant side is multiplied by 2. Now this equation is balanced. So when writing the chemical equation, we have to balance the chemical reaction. If chemical reaction is unbalanced, we have to balance. How we can balance a chemical reaction? Balancing of chemical equation, you see that there are few steps. We shall go through step by step. In first, we write the right chemical equation. In second step, counting the number of atoms of different elements involved in chemical reaction. And third is balancing the number of atoms if not balanced by multiplying by appropriate number. Multiplying by appropriate number. In this way, for that we can you see that we can take the help of table. We make the table. Here the element. Here the number of atoms in reactant. Number of atoms in products. When you write the chemical equation, you see that the H2 plus Cl2, hydrogen and chlorine, it react and form the 2HCl. You see here the hydrogen. number of hydrogen atoms in reactant side 2, number of hydrogen in product side, that is a 2, number of chloride atom in reactant side 2, the number of chloride atom in product side 2. So this is the balance. If it is not balanced, we can multiply with appropriate number on reactant side as well as on the product side. So this is the balancing of the chemical equation.